Hi, this is David, Principal of Deliver Innovation at Opkey. In our final video on Testing Agent, we're going to talk about impact analysis. Impact analysis is a unique feature Opkey brings to the market that takes self-healing to the next level. Oracle is coming out with new features all of the time, and you need to understand what those changes are at a field level to make sure your test cases are sustainable and functioning as you would expect. What Opkey is able to do is present any fields that were added, removed, or updated to ensure that you are informed of those changes, you can share them with your business, and more importantly, you can self-heal your test scripts so they run as expected and they're sustainable release after release. Let's take a look at how impact analysis works in the Opkey platform. To generate the impact analysis of a given release or patch, we start by comparing two automated testing runs. We can schedule our test suites to run on a cadence to ensure we run end-to-end testing before and after a quarterly release or monthly patch. We are presented with a snapshot of each module impacted by the new release or patch. In this example, we see the receipts process has been impacted within the accounts receivables module. Manage and edit receipts have actions or field level changes we need to review that impact our test cases. When comparing the two testing runs, we can easily understand the change impact using the RAG methodology. For actions and field changes, red highlights what has been removed, amber highlights what is changed, and green highlights something that is newly added. This empowers customers to first identify how this will impact the business process so you can inform your business leaders. As Oracle Cloud evolves, you need to understand if a field change impacts your process, integrations, and/or reporting to ensure business continuity. Before applying Opkey's self-healing capability, you can view any impacted test cases so you can create a sanity test suite to validate the new changes are applied and working as expected. Once you're ready, you simply click Self-Heal and all the impacted test case reusable components will be automatically updated. This prevents the need for any manual intervention as Oracle applies changes into your environment. Opkey will tag the auto-generated components so you can easily see what has been applied from the self-healing process. Impact analysis is an invaluable feature that allows you to understand all the different changes being applied to your environment, and more importantly, self-heal your test cases so there's minimal to no maintenance as you maintain your test automation into the future. We look forward to showing you how all these capabilities come together and answering any questions you may have in a live demonstration. Please reach out to our team to learn more.